Are you getting Nintendo Switch error code 2005-0004? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check for system update. You mostly get error code 2005-0004 when starting up a game. When you get such an error, first make sure you have installed the latest system updates. Please note that to use a micro SDXC card on the Nintendo Switch console, a system update is required. From the home menu of your Nintendo Switch, open System Settings. Scroll down to System and select it. Select System Update. Your device will start checking for the latest available update and automatically download it. You can check for the current version of the update displayed under the System Update button. Method 2. Check if the microSD card is compatible. You should check if your microSD card is compatible with your device. The supported microSD cards are microSD up to 2 GB, microSD 8C 4 GB to 32 GB, microSD XC 64 GB to 2 TB. For an improved gameplay experience, it's recommended to use a microSD card with a higher transfer speed, specifically UHS-I compatible transfer speed 60 to 95 MB per second. The higher the transfer speed is, the better will be the gameplay experience. You can check if the microSD card is compatible from this source. You can save downloadable software, software update data, DLC, screenshots and captured videos to a microSD card. However, game save data is stored to the system memory and cannot be copied or saved to a microSD card. It's recommended to use a single microSD card with your system. If you need more space, you can transfer all data to a larger microSD card. The downloadable software saved to multiple microSD cards cannot be combined later into a single microSD card. For more detailed information, you can visit the official Nintendo support page. Method 3. Reinsert the microSD card. Then you can reinsert the microSD card. To do that, power off the console. Hold down the power button for at least 3 seconds. Then select Power Options. Then select Turn Off to ensure the console is powered off before inserting the microSD card. Next, open the kickstand on the back of the Nintendo Switch to reveal the microSD card slot. Take out the card carefully. Wait for some time. With the microSD card's contacts facing down and the label side facing away from the console, gently insert the card into the slot. Push it in until you feel it click into place. Once the microSD card is securely inserted, power on your Nintendo Switch by pressing the power button. If prompted, you may need to format the microSD card. It's important to power off your Nintendo Switch before inserting or removing the microSD card to avoid data loss or damage to the card. Method 4. Format the microSD card. To format the microSD card, go to System Settings. Then select System. Then Formatting Options and select Format microSD card. Confirm the format and wait for the console to restart. Once the console restarts, check if your system can now detect the card. Method 5. Clean the SD card slot. To maintain your Nintendo Switch in optimal condition, it's important to keep the SD card and slot clean. Dust and dirt can lead to issues. You can use compressed air to gently remove any debris. You can also use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean the SD card. Ensure it is dry before reinserting it into the console. This method is straightforward and effective. For additional tips on thoroughly cleaning your Nintendo Switch, ensure you are following reliable sources or official guidelines from here. You can schedule a repair or cleaning also. Keeping your device clean is key to its longevity and performance. Method 6. Try using another microSD card. If you suspect that your Nintendo Switch SD card might be damaged, then check the SD card for any scratches or physical defects. If you notice any issues, consider replacing the card. Carefully insert the new SD card into the slot. Make sure it clicks securely in place. Turn on your Switch and check if it recognizes the SD card. Check if this works. Remember that using officially licensed SD cards for Nintendo console is recommended to avoid compatibility issues. Method 7. Contact Nintendo support. If you have tried all the methods shown in this video and still the error persists, you can contact Nintendo support for further assistance. You can click on this link and select the console you are using. Then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. You can also book for a repair and follow the on-screen guide. Make sure you back up any important save data before attempting these solutions to prevent data loss. And there you have it, the methods to fix Nintendo Switch error code 2005-0004. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.